So I mean, there's just absolutely no versatility to this. This is a mass-produced, lowest possible price. So this is another one that if you're just playing at max volume on whatever pickup you want, and you compare it to another one, you might not notice that much of a difference. Like I said, the treble bleed, some of these cheap components. When you have the versatility, when you're rolling up and down on the volume, longevity, durability, those are the things. Over time, these things will degrade a lot faster. So it's not always about, well, it obviously, they sound fairly similar. You have to, if you're using some of these features, you'll notice it. If you've got a PRS SE Silver Sky, start rolling down the volume and listen to how muddy it gets. And taking random swipes at John Mayer.